hands. Fight her hands. Get your head out.
Shoot, Pragia.
Yes.
Look for your shot.
Nice. Keep moving.
Come on. Split the middle. Split the middle.
Gotta keep wrestling here. Don't sit.
Split the middle. Come on. You got it. Come on.
Split the middle.
Split the middle. Come on.
5 seconds. Keep your hands flat.
Drive. Just drive.
Step over. Hey, I see the leg. Drive up your feet next time. Hit it. Drive up.
Ankle pick, Pragia. Work up. Don't just stay on the bottom.
All the way.
Control the wrist and stand up. Control the wrist. Pragia, get control of one of the wrists.
Crawl forward.
Pragia, you're gonna get turfed.
Crawl forward. Get your knees in front. Crawl forward. Get your knees
Pragia,
in
you're
front.
gonna get turfed. Pragia, control one of her arms. Get wrist control and stand up. Come on, you're stalling. Get wrist control and stand up.
Go get a score
Get
here.
up.
Get 20.
Pragia, you're stalling. Get up. Get wrist control and stand up. There's
Elbow
nothing
off.
on you.
Free your wrist. Elbow off.
7 seconds on the done. Come on, Pragia. Let's go.
Keep moving. Keep moving.
Pragia, split the middle. Do the Jeff Jordan thing. Go around this outside and
Keep moving after your shot. Drive up to your feet.
try an outside carry. Come on.
Circle.
Go outside, get outside. Lift, drive.
Keep wrestling out there.
Come on, Pragia. Get your knees up.
Up your hands.
Get your knees up.
Nothing yet.
She's gonna cradle you. Pragia, you gotta work up. You're stalling.
Nothing yet. Keep fighting. Stalemate.
Lock hands and suck it in.
Nothing yet. Lock your hands there.
Lock hands on.